sing today. So before going to start, I would like to request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer. So let's bow down our head and let us pray.
Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Let's pray. Our Lord God in heaven, thank you for the new you bestowed upon us. Until this moment, we still have our vow requirements left from you. We worship and praise your holy name. This moment, we will continue to study and acquire in knowledge. May you bless our students with the little brain to think fast, and then acquire mind to be curious in whatever knowledge they learn today. Most importantly, bless them with your wisdom and a heart that will follow your commandments in order for them to become worthy in their studies. You know that in these recent times, most are suffering from hardships and economic crisis. We humbly ask you to bless the parents of our students. May you shower your abundant blessings and prosperity to each of their homes. So that we can use this not only for our daily lives, but especially for the performance of our duties to your holy name. We hope that you heard our prayer. We ask all of this in the name of Jesus Christ, our Savior.
Amen.
Amen.
So please remain standing for our energizer. So I would like you to energize so that you will have a positive energy in this class. Okay? So please follow guess is everybody enjoyed our energizer. Did you enjoy, guys? Wow, very good! I like the energy that you've been showing to me. Really, really good. So, today, please sit down. By the way, so let me check your attendance first if we're going to start our discussion. So, is Miss Catalina present? Present. Okay. And Dalao present. Tuayon is present. And Pardal is present. Okay. Very good. So guys, everyone is present today. Thank you very much for coming here. So now, before going to start our discussion, our actual discussion, I will show you a picture. This is a 4-pix one word. But first, I want to ask you what you have. I want to ask you what to identify this picture. So anyone who can identify this picture, this is like a 4-pix one word. Okay? So anyone who can volunteer? Okay. So Miss Pardal, what can you see in the picture? Very good. Miss Tayo, another one. What can you see in the picture? Wow, very good. Mouse, keyboard, and computer, right? So, today, I will ask you, what is our topic for today? Since I've already given you the hint of this picture. Okay? So, what do you think our topic for today? Anyone? It's all about computer. Well, very good. Well, very good. You get it right. So now, our topic for today is all about the basic parts of computer. So, now, I would like to ask you, what do you know about any parts of computer? What part of computer did you know or you're familiar with? Any one of you? What? What again? Keyboard. Yes, very good. Another? Mouse. Another? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, guys. So, our topic for today is the basic parts of computer. So, first, let us know first what is computer. So, I guess you guys familiar with the computer. So, what do you think is the functions of computer? What is computer for you, Mr. Dow? Okay, computer is very good, Mr. Dow. Okay, now let's proceed to let us know the functions of computer and the definition of computer. So, a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know what can you use a computer to type documents, send emails, play games, and browse the web. So, we all know that computer is very common today, right? So, a lot of mga kabataan use computer, used for gaming, used for sending emails, used for making their projects, right? Because, for example, your teacher gives you an assignment. Of course, you need a computer, right? For example, your teacher wants you to make a project. Of course, you need a computer, right? So computer is very important to us. You know that? So I will ask you, Mr. Dow, what is the importance of computer? Why is it computer is very important to us? Okay? Wow, very good. Computer is very important to us because it helps us in our daily lives. Wow, thank you so much. Yes, that's true. Computer help us by doing our job in a small period of time. Just like, for example, your teacher give you an assignment, and then, of course, you browse in the internet and find the answer easily, right? So, very high-tech the data graphics sent from the computer graphics card. So monitor is used for displaying video, image, documents, and so on and so forth. So without monitor, what will happen? Of course, you will never see this. You only have this. Without monitor, you cannot see pictures, you cannot see documents, you cannot see whatever you want to see. So that's how important the monitor is. Right? Did you agree with me? Okay. Did you agree? Oh, very good. You agree? Thank you so much. So now let's proceed to the part number 2, parts of computer. Keyboard. So I know you guys already know what is keyboard, right? Okay. So keyboard is very important because when you type, you need that one. So a computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing the buttons or keys. It is the primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as keys for specific functions. So we all know that keyboard is very important because keyboard used for entering text, enter symbols, and enter what you want to type. Just for like example, you have a few family that is far from you. Of course, you need a laptop for you to be able to communicate, and then you need a keyboard for you to type the word that you want to say with your relative that is far from you. So that's how the keyboard works, right? Okay. So now I would like to ask you guys, what is your opinion about the keyboard? What is the importance of keyboard? So Miss Pinky Catalin, I want you to explain what kind of keyboard, what is the importance of keyboard? Okay? Okay? What is the importance of keyboard? Very good. And you? Oh, very good. Yes, exactly. Very important because when you don't have keyboard, how will you be able to type? Right? So that's very important. Okay, now let's proceed to number 3. This is the part of the computer number 3. It's the mouse. Did you familiar with the mouse? This is the mouse. This is the keyboard. This is the screen display. So all you have to see, all you see in front is part of the computer. The screen display, the keyboard, and the mouse. So that is the mouse. That is the example of the mouse. So the mouse is a small movable device that lets you control a range of things a computer. It allows the users to move pointer, display, and monitor and experience more intuitive interaction with the computer. So mouse is a movable device. This is what you use when you select or drag a picture. For example, you edit a picture and then you drag a picture, or you want the picture to make it smaller, right? Okay, the picture is so a mouse is used to click the documents or to drag a picture. Okay, so I want you to ask, what is your knowledge about mouse? How did you use mouse? Okay, Miss Adalao, how did you use mouse? Oh, you moved the mouse. Yes, that's it. Okay. Now I will ask you how important is the mouse is. Okay, Miss Herda. Yes. Mouse is very important because without the mouse, you cannot click, you cannot open a document. Am I right, Mr. Dow? Very good. Yes, that's right. Without mouse or a pointing device, you cannot click on the documents and you cannot open it. Am I right? Okay, well, now let's proceed to number 4. The CPU. Alright guys, this is a CPU is a central processing unit, also called a central processor, main processor, or just a processor. It is the electronic circuitry that executes instructions, compromising computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic controlling, and input and output operations specified by the instructions in the program. So, CPU in short is Central Processing Unit or System Unit. So, a CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. It performs all type of data processing operation, and also it controls the operation of all parts of the computer. So the CPU has all the data that what you have in a computer. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Now, I would like you to ask, what have you learned? What is your knowledge about the CPU? How? Have you seen this in a computer shop or not? Miss? Yes. Did you see, right? Yes. Did you see? Yes. This is so very common when you enter a computer shop. You will see this. Yes. That's it. All right. Okay. Now let's proceed to last but not the least is the printer. Okay. I will ask you. So printer is very common to us, especially you, student, right? Because when your teacher gives you a assignment or a project, you go to a computer shop and print your project, right? You're very familiar with that, diba? Am I right? Okay. So a printer is a device that accepts text, graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper. So the function of printers is to turn digital data into printed media. So from digital, this is the digital, example of digital. And when you print this one, it becomes a paper. So a paper, ang sunod sa paper is this one. Ngayon we print, okay, right? So this could be a text or it could be a graphic output. So it's either your teachers wants you to create a essay, and then you encode it, and then you encode it, and then you print the right? That's an example of the printed media, right? So from digital to printed media. This is the digital and this is the printed media already. Because I've already print this one and transfer it into paper. Okay? So I guess everyone, do you have any question, guys? Oh, I can clarify it to you. Do you have any questions? Because after that I will have my quiz, which is part A and part B. The first one is the quiz, which is identification, and the second one is the identify the pictures. Okay? So, do you have any questions? Anyone? Okay. You don't have any questions anymore? Okay. So, I will proceed to my activity. So, before that, I will ask you first what you have learned in my class. What I have been discussing to you. Did you understand what I have been teach you? All right. Very good. Understand. So I'm expecting you to have a perfect score, Char. But that's it. Okay. So I give you 15 minutes to study, and then after that one, I will open this activity to have your quiz. So, you don't have any questions right now? You don't have none. So, okay, I give you 5 minutes to study. Okay. Okay, are you done? Are you done studying? 5 minutes is over. I want you to get a one whole sheet of paper. The first page, you write your name, your section, and this subject. Okay? So, label at your first page of your paper, label that in letter A, and then total. Okay? Activity 1, then total. Alright? So, So, identification. Instruction. Read the given question and write the correct answers. By the way, it is a copy and answers. Okay? Copy and answer. So, number one, this is my questions. Read it carefully and answer. Okay? So, I give you 5 minutes to answer this one, or should I read this one for you to be able to answer? Or I will read, or I will just leave you silently to answer. I will read. Okay. So I will read the first question. So it is an electronic device used to display video output from a computer. It is also known as a screen display. So I guess you know that because I already explained that to you, right? Okay. That's what I explained in the first discussion. Oh, right. So, are you done with number two? I number one. So now let's move to number two. Number two, it is the primary device used to enter text. Wow, this is so very easy. I know you know this text. Okay, answer. Are you done? So number three is a pointer device used to click and select files. Well, this is very easy also, which I already discussed this, and you know, if you listen to my discussion, right? Okay? And number four, it allows the users to move a pointer display on a monitor and experience a more intuitive interaction with a computer. So, I guess you guys know that also because I explained that like a while ago. Okay, so I will give you time for you to refresh your answers and to refresh your answers if it is correct. So I will not rush you guys. I will not rush you into things. Okay? So 5 minutes to refresh your answer. Okay, wait. Okay, 5 minutes is over. Alright. I guess 5 minutes is over. Now let's proceed to activity 2. By the way, are you ready? Okay, ready. Well, very excited to get my student. Hello. I'm very proud. Okay. The activity 2, structure. Label each name part of the computer. Okay, so I already showed you the picture a while ago, so there's no reasons that you can answer it and you can identify what is this kind of picture. So I give you 10 minutes to answer and 10 minutes to think. I have 5 minutes to think. Time starts now. Okay, alright, everyone. Are you done? Are you done? Not yet. Okay, take your time. Okay, 5 minutes is over. I want you to please pass your paper in front. I will get it this one. One. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Wow. I will be the one to check this one, guys. So, I hope you guys have a perfect score, and I'm assuming that all of you understand my topic, my discussion for today. So, I am going to test your knowledge if you really understand and if you really listen to my discussion, I want to test your thinking capacity skills. So I want you to Miss Verdal to please explain before we're going to end this class. I want you to please explain what is printer for you. And if you follow to be Miss Pinky Canali to explain focus. This is to test your ability, guys, if you listen to me or not. If your answer is not matched with my discussion, then that's automatically you're not listening to my discussion. Okay? So now I want you to ask Mr. Dow, what is printer for you? Based on what I have discussed, what I have just explained to you a while ago. So what is printer? Okay, you can speak dialect if you want to. Alright, very good, Mr. Dow. Printer is from digital media to printed media. Very good. Alright, so Miss Cuddling Pinky Cuddling, what is a mouse? So, what? A mouse? Very good! Mouse is a pointer device or a movable device used to select or to draw a picture. Well, I guess my students really listen to my discussion, and I'm very proud of you guys because you really understand what I have taught here in front. What I have taught in front, and thank you so much. So before I'm going to end this discussion, I will give you a assignment. Okay? So research about the basic components of computer system and write its definition. Okay, guys. So I will give you the assignment. So I already give you the assignment. Did you take note? Okay. So again, research about the basic components of computer system and write its definition. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, guys. Did you get what I have read? What I give you the assignment? All right, very good. Thank you so